Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can type or write in Filmora, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to add this stock video right over here. As you can see, this is literally all it is, and I'll be using this as an example. So, the first thing, or the first tool that you can use to write on videos is to use the titles function right over here. As you can see, you have a lot of different title effects. You have these trending ones, which are just the default one, basic 6, etc, etc. You also have art title, holiday title. You have different styles of text, so you can just choose whichever one you want. Let's go with this one because it kind of fits aesthetically with this video. So I'm just gonna change the text by going into text right over here in the options menu, and I'm just gonna type, I don't know, test text, for example. And as you can see, you can write it out, you can click on it and then modify it, scale it up, scale it down. You can also do so horizontally but not vertically, and you can also rotate the text as well. And that is one of the options you have. Other than that, you can also go here and you have the quick text tool, so you can use quick text or quick 3D text. I'll just use the standard quick text, and I'm just gonna add I don't know, again, test. And for some reason this text is now not oh right, let me just move it to the beginning. As you can see here, we have our basic text or the quick text. You can change the style like this, and I'm going to change the color to something a bit more fitting, for example a light pink or purple. There we go. And again, you can change the text over here if you want to. You can rotate it, you can scale it, you can move it around. You can use these options right here, or you can click on the screen and move it that way. And you also have compositing options if you also want it. You also have outlines, which I'm just going to change to purely white. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.